HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used to create and design documents on the World Wide Web. It structures content on the web, defining the meaning and relationship of different elements. HTML is tree of elements. HTML documents are structured as a tree of elements. Elements are defined by tags, such as for paragraphs or for headings. Elements can have attributes that provide additional information about them. Think of an HTML document as a family tree. At the top, we have the root element, the tag. This is the parent of all other elements in the document. Just like a tree trunk, the element is the foundation. Think of an HTML document as a family tree. At the top, we have the root element, the tag. This is the parent of all other elements in the document. Just like a tree trunk, the element is the foundation. The is where the content of your page lives. It's like the leafy part of the tree where everything blooms. Inside we find various child elements, each representing different parts of the web page. In this way, an HTML document forms a hierarchical tree, with each element connected in a clear, organized manner. This structure helps us understand the relationships between elements, making it easier to design and navigate our web pages. Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. Examples include src for the source of an image or href for the link URL. HTML's role as the backbone of websites is irreplaceable due to its fundamental ability to structure and deliver content, integrate with other web technologies, support accessibility and SEO, and maintain consistency across diverse platforms. Its ongoing development and standardization ensure that HTML continues to be the bedrock upon which the ever-evolving web is built.